Hello, peeps. It is good to see you folks visiting my channel. Welcome. So, have you been searching how to do a bit of dusting and cleaning on this MSI Thin GF63, the exact model listed right in front of you? Well, you came to the right video guide then. Stick around. I will clean the fans, the heatsink, and also change the thermal paste. So without further ado, let's get straight into it, shall we? Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. This laptop is specific because it has this HDMI port, which might give you a hard time when opening this back cover. The solution was to push the back cover in this direction, to the side a bit, because it was holding on tight to these ports as well. When you try to open this laptop for the first time, it will not be this smooth. So wish you patience and best of luck. Before touching the motherboard or any components, you should first disconnect the battery. Disconnecting the fans connector by nudging it gently from both sides with prying tools. You could use your fingernails also, I guess. Definitely need to release the cable before removing the heatsink. I shouldn't forget the fan screws as well. Did you notice that in order to remove the heatsink, I'm giving gentle nudges from all sides? I wish to prevent use of excessive force not to bend the heat pipes. So what do you gals and guys think? Is this enough thermal paste? I'll make everything nice and tidy as it was before regarding this wire. Reconnecting the battery. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.